Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to delete a world in Palworld. Let's begin by opening Start Game menu. From here, select the world you wish to delete. Then select Delete World. Then confirm by typing in delete in all caps. And then press enter to confirm. That's delete and enter for me because I'm on PC. If you have a console or you're playing on controller, I guess those will be different. Next, simply hit confirm. Then confirm once again, and as you can see, the world has been deleted. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.